Want to start a website but don't want to spend a fortune on hosting? Then this offer is something you need to see. Right now, Hostinger is running a limited time promotion where you can get up to 85% off on hosting plans. And if you click the special link in the description, you'll also receive an extra 20% discount automatically applied to your order. That's right, no coupon code to enter, no extra steps, and no searching for deals online. Just click the link and the discount is activated instantly. Now let's talk about why this is such a great opportunity. When most people launch a website, they end up paying separately for hosting, website security, and sometimes even a domain name. These costs can add up quickly, especially for beginners. But with this Hostinger deal, you're getting everything at a much lower price. Not only do you get the massive discount, but you'll also receive free extra months added to your hosting plan. That means more hosting time for less money. You'll also get free SSL, which helps protect your website and gives visitors confidence when browsing your site. And if you choose an eligible plan, you'll even receive a free domain name, helping you save even more. Now, if you're wondering whether it's worth trying, here's the best part. Hostinger includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not completely satisfied, you can request a refund within the first 30 days. That means you can test everything with confidence and virtually no risk. That's why millions of users choose Hostinger every year. It's fast, reliable, affordable, and designed to help people get online quickly. But don't wait too long. Promotional discounts like this can change at any time, and once the offer ends, prices may increase. So if you want the biggest savings available right now, click the first link in the description. Claim up to 85% off. Unlock your extra 20% discount automatically. Get your free extra months. And start your website today with the confidence of a 30-day money-back guarantee.